This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and immediately entering the firmware. First, back up any work and note important settings like boot order, RAID, and secure boot so you can restore them later. Once done, shut down, disconnect external drives, and remove the main battery if your model allows. This prevents power interference. Now power on and press F2 or delete repeatedly at the Asus logo. You need to land inside BIOS/UEFI. That's where the reset actions will be performed. You'll reset settings now and understand why each step matters. Within BIOS, navigate to the Exit or Save and Exit tab and pick Restore Defaults or Load Setup Defaults. That returns firmware to factory values and clears misconfigurations. If firmware corruption persists, use Asus EZ Flash to reflash BIOS or perform a CMOS reset via motherboard jumper/battery. This clears persistent variables. Make sure to save changes, press F10, confirm, and allow the system to reboot so defaults take effect and the machine starts cleanly. You finish by restoring only what's needed and handling common failures. Once the PC boots, re-enter BIOS to set date/time, boot order, and re-enable secure boot or RAID as required. This prevents boot errors. If the laptop fails post, reset RAM and storage, check the CMOS battery, and try an external monitor to isolate display problems. If reflashing or CMOS reset didn't help, contact Asus support or a qualified service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.